free viral traffic on demand in any niche. Hey guys, this is my InstaViral review, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how this new piece of software works, and I also have a $2,125 bonus. Hey, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and again, this is my InstaViral review. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about InstaViral. We're going to do a little demo. I'm going to show you example pages. We're going to go through the sales page, the funnel, everything else. And again, I have a huge bonus I'm going to show you in the end of this video. But first of all, let me just tell you what it is and what it does, okay? So InstaViral generates viral traffic on demand, and it literally forces people to share your pages, your stuff, okay? So whatever you want to share, however you want to make money online, selling some affiliate products or your own services, or doing CPA marketing, or just building a list, or even just sending traffic to your blog. You can do it all, and you will be forcing people to share your pages, and they will thank you for it, okay? So let me share my screen and let's jump into this InstaViral review, okay? But even before we're gonna start, let's jump on to Fiverr and let's see how much people are charging for creating viral traffic campaigns, okay? So you can just go to Fiverr, type in viral traffic, and you can see that people charge anywhere from $10 to $25 just to run a simple campaign. So if you're gonna do nothing else but use this software for selling Fiverr gigs, if you don't know how to do affiliate marketing, if you don't know any of it, you can just sell viral traffic campaigns. And as you can see, $20, $15, $30, $10, $15, $20 again. You can make a ton of money simply creating viral campaigns for other people, okay? But with that being said, let's jump onto the sales page and let's check out what these guys have to say about it, okay? As you can see, it says, do you want 100% free traffic without doing any work? Snaky software instantly forces you to go to viral and get a massive amount of free traffic to any website, page, or link you want. So first, you're gonna set up your viral machine, then you're gonna crank the traffic wheel and watch the traffic come in now. Super important. This is a brand new software and a brand new concept, and Brett, the programmer behind this product, actually did 2 live tests, and from the first test, as you can see, he got 453 signups. So he added 453 leads to his email list, and he generated 1,311 clicks. Now the second test got him 423 leads and 1,752 clicks. Okay, so as you can see, you can generate hundreds of leads, thousands of clicks, and again, you can send these anywhere you want. So again, local marketing, affiliate marketing, coaching, e-com, blogging, whatever you want to do. And again, Mike and Brett, these are the 2 guys behind this product. You probably already know them. If you don't know, they are both 7-figure marketers. Mike from Maine, Brett Rutecki, you can look them up. InstaViral, that's the name of this product. And obviously this is my InstaViral review, and I'm going to do a little demo for you in a second. Scrolling down, obviously they have some massive proof behind this. And very important, during the launch period, you are actually going to get 2 additional pieces of software for included with the price of this main software. So you're getting 3 pieces of software for the price of 1. You're getting Vidis, which is currently selling for $47, and you're also getting Maillit, which currently sells for $97, okay? So just keep that in mind. During the launch period only, you're gonna get 3 pieces of software for the price of 1, 14 days money back guarantee, and that's essentially it. Let's jump onto the members area and let's see exactly what we are talking about. Okay, so first of all, you have a welcome tutorial right here. This is a, let me see, I believe it's like 8 minutes. So there's not much more to it than just watching this 8-minute video, and you will see exactly how this works. And what InstaViral does as it creates viral contests for you, okay? So people absolutely love these contests. It has to do with psychology. So if you're going to give something away for free, if I'm going to give you a course, you probably will not even go through it. You know, you're gonna think, okay, I got it for free. You know, I have a ton of free stuff already on my computer. You know, free courses, free videos, whatever it is. People don't value free content. But if you are doing a giveaway and they are going to win it, then they will actually, you know, get super excited. They will thank you for it, and it has to do everything with psychology. So first of all, they're gonna enter the contest, they're gonna get excited about it, and to win they will have to share your stuff. So this is how this contest works. So first of all, you're gonna get their email, and then you can send them wherever you want. I'm going to show you an example page in a second, okay? So obviously we have the my account right here, so you can access all the account information right here. Then we have the contests. As you can see, you know, we can press a new contest button right here. We can then edit the contest, we can embed it wherever we want, or we can just delete it. And we have, as you can see, all the live stats. So we have the signups, we have free traffic, we have days left. Actually, first of all, let me show you an example of how a contest like this looks like, okay? So once you're going to create a contest, it will be looking like this. So this is what people will see, okay? So free giveaway contest available, you know, however you want to name it. This will be right here on top. Obviously you can edit all of this. You have the whatever you're giving away right here, so $1,000, or you know, if you want to give away like a PLR product or your own product or anything really. You have the total signups, so you know, this keeps people excited about it. They see that other people are signing up, and you know, it will literally force them to sign up as well. Days left, then we have, you know, the live timer right here. So this is exactly the part where you are getting their email, okay? So they're gonna enter their name and email. They're gonna enter. You can view the view contest rules. So you know, these rules are totally up to you. Once they're gonna enter their email, they will be forced to share either this contest or any piece of your own content. So your squeeze page, your blog, your affiliate link, whatever you tell them to share, they will do it, and that's how you get all the emails and the clicks, okay? So this is how it looks like, and as you can see, we can just click on new contest right here. And it's super simple. We have basically 4 steps. I'm not going to do all of this right now, but you know, you get the contest name, contest title, text, graphics, video embed code if you want to. You've got the target URL, start time, end time. You can add you know, custom buttons, etc. You know, again, I'm not going to do all of this right now, but as you can see, you have these question marks right here. So if you're gonna be lost or confused at any point, you know, we have a little explanation right here of what you have to do. On step 2, you're gonna hook up your autoresponder. So obviously you want to build an email list off of it, a part of generating the free traffic. Then in the step 3, you're gonna add your rules and TOS, and step 4, finish, is where you publish your contest. And again, this is how it will look like. Absolutely amazing. Generates leads, generates traffic. You can send it wherever you want, and obviously you can do this in any niche. So this is super exciting. This is actually the first piece of software that I'm seeing around for viral contests. Okay, I've seen like some content lockers. So let's say, you know, you want to access some piece of content and you know, you're gonna have to enter your email and share it before you access it. But a contest makes just so much more sense, because people get excited about winning something. Okay, so that's how powerful InstaViral is. Okay. So right now let's jump over to this page, and let me tell you all about the pricing and the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, InstaViral will be $27. That's the early bird price. After the launch, it will be $37. Okay, so as you can see, you're getting the viral contest that automatically drives traffic to any website or page you want. So you're getting video training and the software itself, and that's again $27, $37 after the launch. Audio number 3, we got InstaViral Pro upgrade. So with the main product, you can create 10 contests per month. Okay, with the Audio 1, that's the Pro upgrade, removes the 10 contests limit. You can create unlimited contests, and also we're gonna get live mastermind training with Brett and Mike. Okay, so that's OTO number 1, $67. OTO number 2, also $67, and this is agency access, which means that you can sell this product InstaViral as your own and keep 100% of the profits, and also you are getting a huge done for you pack, which makes everything much easier. So $67. Actually, this is a pretty low price. I've seen people charging up to $297 for agency access. You're getting it for $67, so pretty cool. And as you can see, me as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions promoting this. You can get 100% commissions with the agency access. And OTO number 3, marketing bundle for $297. You're getting access to 14 of Brett's top cloud-based software products with all the OTOs. So if you would like to buy all of these, you would have to spend thousands of dollars, and you can get this whole bundle of 14 pieces of software together with the OTOs for just $297. Again, this is something optional. If you want to get access to it, if you would buy it anyways, you can get a massive discount. All of the OTOs are optional. You'll be fine with the main product, InstaViral alone, but maybe if you want the unlimited contest, or maybe if you want to get 100% commissions with the agency access, then by all means you can pick up one of these OTOs up. So right now, let me show you all of my bonuses you're gonna get from myself if you'll decide to pick up InstaViral through my link. Now, the first 2 bonuses I already mentioned, so you're gonna get 2 additional pieces of software, and this is only during the launch. Okay, so if you'll decide to pick it up a week from now, you will not get these. Okay, so Vidis, that's a piece of software for $47. It's currently selling for $47, and MyMailit, $97 is what you have to pay for it if you would like to just buy it today. So you're getting 2 pieces of software and another 4 pieces of software from Brett. You're gonna get this from myself. Okay, so that's Click Bar Gold Edition, Facebook Pixel Insert, Jacker, and Support Chat. Okay, so you're getting a total of 6 additional pieces of software as a bonus from myself. But that's not it. I'm going to give you some of my own courses, softwares, and plugins. Okay, so Fiverr Income Secrets is my course about making money on Fiverr. So obviously, if you want to use this software to sell Fiverr gigs, that's an amazing custom bonus I got for you. Fiverr Masterclass, that's another course of mine. That's Doubles of the Day awarded course. Riser, another course from myself. Newbie Traffic Formula. Flip Me, my course about flipping. Tube Traffic Avalanche, my free traffic case study, and you're getting 9 plugins and software on top of all of this. So Affiliate Advantage, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Shortcode Call to Action. And on top of all of this, you are getting my mega bonus. Now my mega bonus is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. You can check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. Again, that's 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. So altogether, that's a total of $2,125. Now you're gonna get all of these bonuses from myself if you'll decide to pick up InstaViral through my link. And you can if you're on my blog, just click one of these blue links and it will take you directly to the sales page, and all of the bonuses will be automatically delivered to you. If you are watching me on YouTube, please click the first link in the description to go directly to the sales page, or the second link in the description to go to my blog to check out my written review. I have it for you done as well. I'm going to have a demo as well. So a part of the demo that I just showed you in this video, I'm going to have a separate demo both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So just to quickly sum up this review, what I like about it, first of all, it's a one-of-a-kind piece of software. So I've never really seen any other software that create contests. Okay, so I've seen, again, content lockers, but not really contests. And again, people are getting excited about these type of contests. They will value whatever you're giving away. They will share your pages, so you can first of all create or add hundreds of people to your email list, get thousands of clicks, free totally, you're not going to have to pay anything for it. You will actually get viral traffic, which is the best kind of traffic. So let's say someone is sharing your stuff for you. They're sharing it with their friends and subscribers. So this is just so much more powerful than buying traffic or getting traffic for free. Viral traffic is by all means the best kind of traffic you can get, and you're gonna get thousands of clicks of viral traffic. Okay, so just keep in mind how much money you can save by not paying for traffic, and the thing, how much money you would have to spend if you would like to force your post or your page to go viral. Okay, what I don't like about it, I don't really have anything negatives to say about it. I really like it. The price is great during the early bird period, $27. After, it will be going live to $37. Not such a great deal, and you won't be getting these bonuses outside of the launch period. So outside of the launch period, a little bit expensive, $37, but you are actually getting 3 pieces of software for just $27, and you're getting all of my software bonuses on top of that. So during the launch period, this is definitely an amazing deal. So again, guys, please check it out. Grab it from my link to get all of the bonuses. And InstaViral goes live on the 15th of September. That's a Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Please give a like to this video on YouTube. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao!